Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to assign a keyboard shortcut to any Microsoft Store apps on Windows 11. For this, first click on this one, a Start button, then click this one, All Apps button. Now scroll down and find your store apps for which you want to create a keyboard shortcut. Suppose you want to create a keyboard shortcut for snipping tool application. Select it and then drag it to the desktop. When you see link, lift your finger from the mouse. This will create a desktop shortcut. Then right click on this one, desktop shortcut. Select properties option. In the shortcut tab, click in the box beside shortcut key, and now from your keyboard you can press any key or letter. For instance, if you will press S, Windows will automatically add Ctrl plus Alt to that shortcut. That means your shortcut key will be Ctrl plus Alt plus A. After assigning this one shortcut key, click on this one apply button and then OK button. Now you can open this one application using a keyboard shortcut that you have created just now.